The future is electric. The RYOBI ZR3 42-inch ZTR. HP technology combines brushless motors, advanced electronics, and 80-volt lithium high-performance battery technology, delivering power without the hassle of gas, oil, belts, and engine maintenance. Experience the performance you demand from a ZTR mower with precision handling and the power of a 25-horsepower gas engine. Cut up to 2 acres on a single charge with the 2 included 80-volt 14-amp-hour lithium batteries. Steering assist provides precise cut path and enhanced maneuverability. The 42-inch heavy-duty 12-gauge fabricated steel deck houses durable blades to deliver premium cutting performance. Maneuver trailers and tow materials with the universal front and rear 2-inch hitch receivers, making this the industry's most versatile ZTR. Monitor battery level, charge status, blade life, and more on the RYOBI app. Upgrades are available, including bagging kit, seat suspension, armrests, and LED headlight kit for added utility and comfort. If your riding mower requires attention, a RYOBI certified technician can diagnose and service right from your home. The RYOBI ZR3 80V HP 42-inch Zero Turn Riding Mower. Unmatched power, unrivaled innovation, only at the Home Depot.